Andariki namaskaram. Um, so, I've just been a part of this film because I've been associated with this director called Srinath Rajendran. We did a film called Kudra, and Vinny was the writer, and Sunny Wayne was there with me, with Tovino Thomas. But this film is a special film for everyone because I've literally seen the days I've worked in this film. Almost I've worked for like, what, 4, 5 days? But the amount of hard work, amount of journey what these guys have gone through is enormous. So, all the best, Dulka. I've literally seen how much you've slogged. Shobita, same here. And the production team as well. Uh, of course, Dulka is also a producer. But still, hats off to these guys for, making Srinath's dream come in a celluloid. That's really important for a period film like this. So November 12th is the date. Save the date, guys. This film is going to just create some waves, for sure.
Thank you so much. And can you please tell us how special is this film for you, personally?
Of course, it's a film which has a lot of thought process which has gone into that film. So obviously it's going to be special for everyone. There are a lot of people who have contributed in this film as cameos. And of course, it's a very special film for Dulka. We've been literally seeing his growth from how he started from second show, right, Dulka? That's your first film, okay. So till now, in all the languages. So he's been creating waves, and I think he has put an extra effort for this film. So it's going to be very special for him, and my hearty wishes for him as well. And yes, being a part of a film like this, I'm really honored, I'm happy.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so honored to be here. I'm a big fan of Dulquer and his dad, amazing artists. And Dulquer, you have stolen almost the whole of women's hearts in Andhra Pradesh. You're a huge heartthrob. I can confidently say that. And మీ సినిమాలు మహానైట్ అయితే ఏమి ఓకే అండ్ ఇప్పుడు కురూప్ దీనికి ముందు కనులు కనులు దోచావే ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ మూవీస్ ఇన్ లాస్ట్ 2 years. సో అది ఒక యూనో స్టీవెన్ స్పీల్బర్గ్ క్యాచ్ మీ ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ సినిమా లాంటిది అయితే ఇది పార్ట్ 2 లాగా ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కనులు కనులు దోచావే ఎంత బాగా మనం ఎంజాయ్ చేసామో అందరికీ తెలుసు. అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ కోవిడ్ వల్ల ఇట్ డిడ్ంట్ గెట్ ద సపోర్ట్ ఇట్ డిజర్వ్స్. బట్ ఓటీటీలో ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు చూసి దుల్కర్కి పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్స్ అసోసియేషన్ తెలుగు రాష్ట్రంలో అందరికన్నా అని ఏర్పడిందని ఖచ్చితంగా నమ్ముతున్నా. అండ్ ఐ పర్సనలీ లవ్ యూ దుల్కర్, యువర్ అమేజింగ్. మోర్ దెన్ ఎనీథింగ్ నేను గొప్పగా చెప్పాలంటే దుల్కర్ తెలుగు సినిమాలకి ఆయనే డబ్బింగ్ చెప్తారండి. దట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో దట్స్ ద కమిట్మెంట్ అండ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ హీ హ్యాడ్స్ టువర్డ్స్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్. So we all have to really encourage Dulquer, and he is a pan-India star, new generation superstar. And Kurup produced cheyadame kaakunda the effort he puts in this movie. Luckily I have seen this movie, and it's a film lovers movie. Definitely anybody who loves good movies, you love this movie. It's a period movie, and the technical values in this movie is highly commendable.
Usually I don't come to events, but this is more like a family event to me. Funny and Rohit are like family to me. And just about a week back, they said, Anna, we got one movie, we are going to do distribution. I said, what's wrong with you guys? This is not everyone's cup of tea. However, since you have jumped into it, show me the trailer. And then he sent the trailer. And that first 20 seconds, when he says, what should I tell my sir who's calling? Automatically Kurup name came out of my mouth before he could say that. It was so awesome and engrossing. I immediately told both of them, I think you got the first one, the right one, and hope you make money out of this, because making money is very, very difficult in this industry. But I wish those two make it. Second, coming to Dulquer, of course he's a very big star, but apart from his work and his performance, I would congratulate him for one thing, is that being a superstar's son, it's not easy to create his own path. And he's got out of that shadow, which is very, very commendable. Congratulations on that. And Shobita, I don't know if she recollects, 2010 when I was in Gemini, we did a Miss Vizag contest. And I had Tapsi with me and Lakshmi Manchu with me. She was the winner of the contest. I'm glad that today we are sharing the stage. Of course, the tables have turned. And wish you all the best with this movie. Trailer is looking amazing, and I'm sure it'll do good.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 years నుంచి ఈ ఫిల్మ్ రెడీ అయ్యి వెయిటింగ్ పీరియడ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు దేర్ వాజ్ అ సర్టన్ క్వయట్ యాంగ్జైటీ, ఇది కనుక ఓటీటీకి ఏమైనా వెళ్తుందా అని, బికాస్ ఇట్ వాజ్ మేడ్ విత్ సో మచ్ లవ్, సో మచ్ ప్యాషన్. ఆల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ దేర్ ఇస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్, బట్ జస్ట్ దేర్ వాజ్ సచ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్రియేటివ్ ఎనర్జీ మేము షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు, ప్రీ ప్రొడక్షన్లో, తర్వాత దట్ ఫైనలీ ఈ స్టేజ్లో ఇన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్లో థియేటర్స్లో రిలీజ్ అవ్వడం అనేది ఇట్ ఫీల్స్ వెరీ స్పెషల్. I have a lot of faith in the film and a lot of love for it, so I'm really, really happy.
Andariki namaskaram. Beyond that, I think I'll need a script to speak in Telugu, but endando vishesham sugandhanalla. Thank you. Anyway, this is a very, very special film in endono. Okay. Anyway, this is a very special film for me and everybody on this team. I think from whatever glimpses you've seen, you can understand the amount of effort we've put into it. And I promise you, this is merely 1% of the film. I'm very sure it's going to be an amazing experience for everybody who is going to watch the film. I think the story and the idea is universal, which is why we're releasing it across languages. And I have the best partners here, and they're helping us distribute in Telugu. It always makes me happy to come back to Hyderabad. I always say I don't think there are bigger cinema lovers than the Telugu audience. From, I think, my first film, from Ustad Hotel, when I visited Hyderabad, there were fans who tell me they saw Ustad Hotel. And I'm like, how did you see it? There was no OTT then, it wasn't on YouTube. And they would tell me, oh, we just searched for the best films of 2012, found this film on the list, and we watched it. That is the level of love they have for cinema across languages. And I've always been welcomed here like I'm someone from Telugu. And within the industry and from the viewers, there's always only been love. So I want to keep doing work here. Definitely straight Telugu films. I'm just about to complete my second straight Telugu film, which is Hanu Raghopuri's film, backed by Vaijayanti Films. That's also going to be special. But in the meantime, because I've been away for so long, thanks to the pandemic, do check out Kurup in cinemas. We've taken the utmost care, especially with the Telugu translation, with the lines. I've dubbed it myself. We want it to seem like a fully conceived, straight Telugu film. So I think you'll all enjoy it. And I cannot wait to hear the feedback, and I'm waiting with bated breath and excitement and nervous energy for the 12th, but see you back in the cinemas.
సంతోష్ సురేష్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ద్వారా ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూని, ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ లైవ్ షోస్ ని ఎప్పటికప్పుడు కొత్త విశేషాలు మీకు అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. మీ మొబైల్లోని యూట్యూబ్కి వెళ్ళి సంతోష్ సురేష్ అని టైప్ చేసి వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
డ్రెస్ కట్సీ బై KLM ఫ్యాషన్ మాల్.